In this video, I'm about to completely transform the Chevy Avalanche interior. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the Suede headliner with the stars. I'm also gonna be doing custom seat covers and replacing the foam. Then I'm gonna be adding some ambient lights on the dash. But we're gonna start off with the headliner. Let's get into it. The first thing we're gonna do is take this piece off. We'll take the visors off. And then we're gonna start taking off the A, B, and C pillars. Pretty much took this side off so I can learn how to do it. That way I can make the video run smoother. Okay, so there's a screw here, and these just pop out. All right, now that I got it down, before I pull it out, I gotta unhook all whatever this is. So I'm gonna unhook all the wires. Unhook all that, I'm gonna rip all this up like this. All right, so now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put a headliner out. Mostly we pull it out the rear door, but I'm gonna see if we can do that for this vehicle. All right, just got the seat out, so I'm about to try again. I'm about to somehow try to get it out this door. I might have to take the rear seat out, but hopefully not. Okay, so we're gonna get a few brushes and wire brushes. You don't want to just start with this on the drill, because some of these headliner boards be fiberglass, so if you go too deep in there, you cut. So I'm gonna start off with a wire brush. If everything's going smooth, then I'll move into this, and then we can use this in the hard to get areas, like up in there and stuff like that. Oh, y'all didn't need to see that. I was pretty much went scraped it all around. I did a rough scrape. Now I'm about to vacuum it up and then really do my last thorough scrape. Before I wrap this headliner, check this out. We also offer luxury suede and headliner materials by the yard in a wide range of colors. Perfect for Starlight headliners, custom interiors, or repairing a sagging factory headliner. Available now through Exclusive Materials USA. Okay, so now we need to figure out exactly where we're gonna hide the box. In this vehicle, we just gonna put under the seat somewhere. So I'm gonna measure down and see how much length I need. So the headliner is stuck about right here. So I got 3 feet. The 4 feet to get me under the seat. Now I'm gonna write the 4 feet down here so I don't forget it. So the whole thing is 54. So when you do 54 divided by 3, 18, 36, 36. That should be 54. So we should do 18 inches. 18 inches, we should be good. 18 here, 36. Okay, perfect. All right, we'll do the same thing over here. 18, 36. Now we're just gonna connect the line. I just want to give y'all a quick disclaimer so y'all don't make the same mistake I did on my first headliner, my first Starlight headliner. What I did it straight, up and down straight. So that's gonna look real ugly if you do it like that, because what we want is to be random. That's why I'm doing this grid technique. So we're gonna do each grid one at a time. So what I found out is the best way for me to make everything even. So what I'm gonna do the outside first of the grid, and then I'm gonna do kind of like a straight pattern, and then I'm gonna do up and down, but not 100% straight. It's gonna be random. Then after that, everything should look even. I'm gonna do each grid like that evenly, 75 each grid. That way everything's gonna flow perfect. So I'm just gonna count while I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 9, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Okay, so I'm at 66. So now I'm just gonna try to just fill in any random spots. Or you wanna get some type of sharp tool. I ordered these from the TikTok shop. They was going viral. A lot of people on TikTok was using these for Starlight headliners. But this is the favorite thing I like to use. This is an upholstery needle. So you get these from like an upholstery shop or maybe like online somewhere. But this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this, but a lot of times I misplace these. If I misplace that. I want to take a quick commercial break to show y'all our all new Starlight headliner kits. So to come with these extension cables, you just run them one at a time. All right, so you take the first one, take that like so. Add it to the extender. You can take that end, and if you need to add another one. Now I'm cutting the end off the fiber bundle and splitting it down a few inches with a razor to open the fibers up. This helps spread them out and maximize the light output. Just look at the difference once they're illuminated. And oh yeah, I know what you're thinking. This kit does have twinkle effect. This is our all new Starlight Elite kit available now. Hit the link in the description and upgrade your ride today. All right, we're gonna take the first one. So we're gonna come down. So remember, we need 4 feet. So we got 4 feet right there. We'll go 54 inches. So 54 inches, we can still complete this one. Complete that one. Complete all those 54 inches, we should be good. So get the first one locked into place. That way it don't move on me. So really we going right here, we don't need all this extra. So this is about as long as we need it. So we cut this right about right here. All right, here's where it gets interesting. So we're gonna peel this back so we can get to the strands.
Live in my heart. On the up, I and I keep it on the up. I and I keep it on the up. On the up, I and I keep it on the up. I and I keep it on the up. Through all of these days, stand firm at the top while we live under the stars.
We want to do everything neat and organized. So what we're gonna do is use a couple of zip ties. Probably put this into 3 sections. So what we do, we start closest and then we work our way out. Cause we don't want to start here, have a bunch of wires and try to be feeding in here. So we're gonna start close and spread out. Okay, make sure when you get your glue gun, you get a high-low setting. You keep it on the low setting because if you keep it on high, it's going to melt the fibers. Okay, so we get the next one. Do it the same way. Make it about the maximum we need is about right here. All right, so I got those glued, this side good. So I'm about to do this one, that one, and that one. Then I'm gonna come back at the end and show y'all how to finish it up. All right, this is the matrix system that I was telling you guys about. You see it just like that. And of course, this will still work with the twinkle effect, which I'll show you once everything's hooked up. Okay, I did develop a nice interlocking system, but those won't be ready. By the time this video releases, the new system will be available, which will take this and put it together real tight. But for now, I just use these. These are what I was using before I released it to the public. This still holds it tight. But with these, you can't do a lot of moving, even though it's not gonna be moving in the car. But the new system I developed, it's just better. I'm always innovating. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim these. Then I'm gonna show you with the twinkle effect. Of course, we can put it in the car like this, but what I like to do is just trim them down, kind of like a haircut, so they don't be just in the way when I'm installing it. All right, this is the last step before we put it inside the vehicle. I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from Exclusive Covers USA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even Starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install. So what we do is we go around, make sure there's nothing in the way of where we got to put any clips or anything like that. See, we need to go around this. We're gonna tape it up. Use some tape to go around this. Make sure ain't no strands around that. All right, so what I did so far is took the back and I slid it right there. So I'm gonna try to push it up and hopefully those Velcro will hold it into place. I can start screwing the side handles on. All right, so I took the jigsaw, just cut a little notch right there. But you see everything coming back here. So it's gonna sit nice and flush. All right, you see everything is flush. So we got those coming on right there. So I'm gonna hook up the box to show y'all how to wire it up. So I got this, I'm gonna extend this for the positive. So if you don't know, it's just got two wires, negative and positive. So you could do directly to the battery, which will give you constant power, or you can go to an accessory, maybe like the cigarette lighter or something. So we're gonna extend it to that wire. So he already got an accessory running, he got his remote wire. So I use this right here to tap into it so that I didn't have to cut the wire. So I just took my extension right there and just tied into that opening. So now I'm gonna tape that up real good. So after I tapped in there, I ran the red wire around here. And you see it's coming out the box. So that's my positive. And then what I did, I got my tester. And I just found some metal. Okay, so you hook this up to your battery and you need to find some metal that's grounded to the vehicle. So what I did, I used a self-tapping screw. Just took the negative and hooked that in there. And now we got lights. So I'm about to show you how to trim these. And just like that, the Starlight Headliner is officially done, and this Avalanche is already looking like a completely different truck. If you're interested in the same Starlight Elite Headliner kit we used in this build, you'll find a link down in the description below. And if you're looking for the Starlight floor mats we use, those are down there too. But we're nowhere near finished with this build. Next, we're replacing the seat foam, installing custom seat covers, wrapping the door panels, and adding ambient lighting throughout the interior. So this is going to be a full 4 to 5 part interior transformation series. If the next video is ready, you'll see it right here on the left side of your screen. If not, check out one of our other custom interior builds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the rest of this Avalanche build. I'll see you in the next one.